wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, we are testing out these new LYS blushes. If you guys want to know more, let's go. Okay, I'm starting the video out looking real crazy right now, but I told you guys in a video what you guys wanted to see of new products that were coming out. LYS new blushes were one of the products that were mentioned, and a lot of you said that you want to see what those blushes look like, and then I received the package in the mail. Look at God. That was a sign. So these are the new LYS Higher Standard Cream Glow Blush Sticks. These retail for 20 dual hairs. They come in, I believe, 7 shades are in here. On Sephora's website, there's only 5 available though. Let's see what it says. An irresistibly creamy blush stick that instantly brings a flush of color to the cheeks with an illuminating finish. This lightweight, easy to blend blush stick blesses skin with an instant pop of color and wearable luminosity that brings life to the makeup look. This dewy, ultra creamy formula layers perfectly to achieve a natural flush of pigment on the cheeks. The triangle-shaped stick maneuvers around the face, nose, and cheeks for a healthy-looking glow with effortless application. So there's only 7 shades. I'm going to swatch all 7 so you know what they look like, and then I'm not sure which one I'm going to use on my face, but apparently it's supposed to be like the same type of formula as the contour stick, and I love that down. That is what I have on my face today. That's contour and blush. I know it seems like a lot, just relax, okay? So let's go. So I'm in between these 2 shades today, Courageous, which is a poppy orange, and Focused Warm, which is a cinnamon pink. And it's very funny because I feel like this is just my go-to blush combination. On a regular day, I'll use the more coral blush from Rare Beauty, and then like a mauve-ish type blush from Rare Beauty, and then same thing with Juvia's Place. I'll use coral. So I feel like that's just a combination, like a kind of pinkish orange combination is what I go for, but today I feel like I should probably just use one because it's giving very pigmented. If I could open it. Let's stick with Focus, which is a warm cinnamon pink. If I could open these, that'd be great. Very cute packaging, pink. And then, ooh, okay. That, I feel like we went with the right shade. That is what this shade looks like. So okay. I was like, wait a minute, did it get on my nose? Okay. We're gonna start out slow. If we gotta build it up, we'll build it up. But you know, I have a lot to film today, so I need my face to look normal. Thank you. Okay, she's giving dewy. Okay, y'all, so that is it for my face. That is the blush on my face once I finish my entire face. So thoughts on this product. Y'all know I tell you all the time that I am here for cream products. I really like to keep them in my T-zone area because my oil is really in the middle of my face. So like I said, I have the bronzer on, and I feel like I am getting away with the blush in my T-zone for the reasons that I just said. I do have a powder bronzer on, by the way. So, you know, a nice balance there. I feel like it'll last well throughout the day. The bronzer usually lasts well throughout the day, but I really like cream products because I just feel like they are so good at just blending into your skin. Y'all know I like that real skin-like finish to your face. And you certainly can go all out if you are more of like a, no, I want the blush to be there on my face. But I'll be telling you all the time, you know, like I don't naturally blush anyway, so I'll be keeping it real calm in that section of my face. But if you wanted to, it is a very pigmented product, so you could go all out if you want. The shades are very flattering, and they're going to be flattering. It is a black owned makeup brand. So yeah, I am here for it. I kind of want to mix these with some liquids, see what, y'all just know I am a mixing girl, okay? I got 2 concealers on, I got 2 primers, 2 setting sprays. I just like mixing things. I feel like it's going to mix well with other products, and definitely I want to check out the other shades on my face and see what it's giving. The one that I went with, I feel like, you know, again, if you're like my skin tone, you use me as a shade reference, that's the closest you're getting to like real, just like calm, okay, like that can blend in with your skin tone. The coral, I feel like I would have been doing a little much, but also again, it is a buildable product, so you can use it how you want. We're definitely going to be a color for the summer for my coral blush girlies. I am here for it. I like this product. Okay, LYS, I sees you. So that is it for this video, y'all. I hope it helped. If any of you were thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.